What up, homies? I just got the ASUS Transformer book, T100, and I'm about to do an unboxing video for it. Fuck. Don't care. What's this? Oh! Yeah! Oh, there's only one. Here's what it looks like, guys. ASUS Transformer book. Intel. ASUS 360. 1 year international warranty. 0 bright dot guarantee. 2-way free standard shipping and 24/7 technical support. We got some tape. Nigga, I got this. Bet. Alright, here we go. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Here it is, guys. It says ASUS on the back. In the front, we've got CPU, Intel quad-core processor, wide 178-degree viewing angles, USB 3.0 super speed support, laptop with detachable tablet, all-day battery life, Microsoft. Ooh, it comes with Microsoft Office, Home, and Student. 2013. Fuck that. Now we've got. This is really hard to get out. Fuck that. Oh shit. We got the thing that plug in the USB for, and then we got the charger. Now we also have user manual. Doesn't matter. Do not discard. What's this? Oh shit, it's got a code. Office product license. Oh, means I own it, I guess. Warranty card. I better keep that too. Wow, this is gonna be awesome. I cannot wait to open this shit. How the fuck? Oh, you pull it. Nigga. Close enough. Oh, that is how you do it. Okay, the keys are kind of small, but you know, it's pretty good. I like it. Now we got the most important part, the tablet. Okay. Now, this is the most important part of any unboxing, is the most expensive part. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. I don't even want to touch it right now, like, oh god, fingerprints. I don't know. It's pretty cool though. I'll do another video in a couple days about how much I like it and shit. But for now, see you later.